Well, the Research Festival, this is our seventh, is an opportunity for researchers on and off island to come and share the work that they've been doing. And the focus of the festival is always research that's about the Isle of Man or is conducted on the Isle of Man. But it's really just an opportunity for everybody in the community. It's not just for academics, it's not just for students, it's for everybody to come and find out some fascinating things they might not have even thought they needed to find out about.
So research is really important to Biosphere. So there's over 750 biospheres around the world, but all of them have three core functions, and one of those is research and learning. So it's a really important part of us being a biosphere reserve, is that we're constantly finding out more about our island, about our biosphere, and how it works, and how we, as a human part of it, live with the rest of nature.
The Isle of Man has the opportunity to be a nation that lives in complete balance with the rest of nature, and so it just seems like one of the most important topics that we could possibly, or important themes that we could possibly have.
Some of the misconceptions about Biosphere are that it's about saying what we should or shouldn't do, or we can and can't do this because we're a biosphere reserve, and that's not the case. It's really about, biosphere is a guidance, it's a lens through which we can make decisions that really ensure that things are sustainable, and that we look at things in a holistic way and we understand what the impacts are, and that ultimately we're working to try and make things better for both us and for the rest of the biosphere.
I think sometimes there's this misconception that there's the environment and then there's human activity, and decisions fall into we can do that but we can't do that. One of the reasons why this research festival has picked the biosphere is because the biosphere breaks through all that. It's about how do we live in balance. It doesn't mean we don't flourish, it doesn't mean we don't do anything, we don't develop things, it doesn't mean businesses can't be successful. It's about making decisions that keep the balance between us and the rest of nature. So that's why it's important for business people to come to the research festival, because there are lots of opportunities about being a business in a biosphere nation. So it's not just the green movement and all those old notions of environmentalism. It's actually much more positive and opportunistic for businesses than people realise. The Research Festival 2025 begins on Thursday the 16th of October in the evening with the annual Biosphere lecture. And then the full day programme is on Friday the 17th of October, with presentations starting from 9:15 going through to 4:30 in 3 different rooms. So we've got lots of presentations, lots going on. There'll be catering available for people to buy their lunch and have good coffee. It's at the Villa Marina. It's the important bit to know. That's because we keep getting bigger and bigger. We keep outgrowing our venues, so we've had to come to the wonderful Villa Marina.
It's www.ucm.ac.im/rf25.
The 16th and 17th of October at the Villa Marina, and you can book your ticket on the UCM website.